are back. Much more fun, much more food. And our friend Sekon Sta is in the building tonight. Fiesta Plaza, graced by his presence. He's having a bumper carnival season. And tonight, he has the privilege of not only eating what I did for him, but he gets a real chef, a trained and qualified chef,
right,
to rule out a recipe, courtesy the folks at Grace Products. Grace Products, we've been doing an entire range of stuff using the Grace line of products. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt Charles. Her name is as tall as you, but she isn't. Oh, you my dear?
Battling the cold, but okay.
Yeah, so she's battling a little flu. She's battling the flu. But go ahead. What are you doing for us tonight, Cheryl?
Well, as you rightly said, Grace has a wide range of products.
Yeah.
So today we challenge with doing the mackerel.
Mackerel.
Right. So
I
like
chose mackerel, sardines kind of thing. Two different things.
It's two different things. It's two different things. Basically two different fish.
Right.
The sardines are a little smaller.
Right.
Right? And I choose to use the mackerel in hot tomato sauce.
Oh, so it comes in a tomato sauce?
Yes, it comes in the tomato sauce. All you have to do is chop up your seasonings, saute your seasonings, put it in. You can take it out because there's still a bone in it.
Right.
Right? So you could remove the bone, and some of them may still have fine fins to the belly, and you remove those and you saute it down and you're good to go. You can have it with rice, pasta, anything you choose to. Very quick and easy to go with. But today we're going to do it a little different. So we're going to make some mackerel croquettes.
Mackerel croquettes. Do you have a fancy name for that? Macrocs?
I was going to say that.
Yeah. Macrocs.
Right. So what I did is I boiled some potato already.
That's potatoes.
Right. And I mashed it. There's butter, there's garlic, there's tomato.
Tomato paste?
Tomato paste,
Yeah.
I have paprika inside of there, black pepper,
So you
salt.
seasoned up those mashed
So I
potatoes.
season it up. And I'm just going to give the mackerel a little rough chop because you know this is how it comes in the can, right? Now the thing about the mackerel is already pre-cooked. So there's not much cooking to do with it, right?
It's pre-cooked in the can.
In the can, it's
So
pre-cooked
this is really
in the
one
can.
of those nice
So it's
quick
really,
meals.
exactly, it's
Yeah.
really just to heat it up
Yeah.
and go, right?
Second, do you cook at all?
No.
No. No. But this is something that you probably can do. A tin of Grace mackerel, mashed potatoes, chop up the mackerel.
I appreciate the feel.
Yeah. I appreciate. Come on.
Right?
And you just mix it in there, chef?
So we're going to just mix it in there and then we're going to bread it. I have a breading solution here with just flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs.
Right.
And then we're going to fry it. You can bake it if you want a healthier choice.
Right.
But
But
today
chef
we're
is
going
frying
to
it.
today we're going to fry it.
Yeah.
Right? Let me put a little more black pepper in there.
That is sparingly. You see the difference?
No.
You see the difference? You see the difference?
It's in the finger
That is
roll.
experience. Your finger too big.
Right? And I'm going to use my hands and we're going to form it. So
Into a croquette.
into a croquette.
That's the shape of a croquette.
Right? Put it in our
I don't
flour.
know why that's the shape of a croquette, but that's the shape of a croquette.
Croquette. Now the thing about it is, as I said, you wanna explore. Use the product in different ways.
Yeah.
You don't have to stick with the norm of making it mackerel and rice or anything like that.
That's why I know mackerel and rice.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
That's what I know.
Mackerel and rice.
So all this here confusing me.
Yeah.
All
So
that-
it's different ways to use the product.
It's different ways to use the product.
So you can. So that's eggs and
Eggs
breadcrumbs.
and
flour,
breadcrumbs.
eggs.
Flour, eggs, and
Flour,
breadcrumbs.
eggs, and
Seems
breadcrumbs.
simple enough.
It
Yeah,
is
come on,
simple,
second.
very simple.
I
very,
can't do it, but
Come on, second.
Why can't you do it?
because I can't even boil water.
You can.
But you just told me that's what you do mackerel and rice.
No, I eat mackerel and rice.
Or you eat mackerel and
Yeah,
rice.
you don't cook mackerel and rice. when you're on the road, so like after carnival season coming to a close, when you after the carnival season, you guys head out.
Yes, very much
Well,
so.
yeah, and how do you eat?
Right.
What do you eat?
The promoters are tasked with providing meals.
You-
They provide very good meals.
Yes, yes.
right.
The promoters provide meals.
Yes, sometimes they're with Grace.
Yes.
Okay. So you want to fry them until they're golden brown.
Nice and golden brown.
Right? So which means by the time they're golden brown, they're all heated through.
Yeah, yeah.
Now, if you want and you want to, add a little extra to it, you could add a little more heat to it. Because even though it says hot and spicy, it's not. It depends on how hot and spicy you like.
Right, right.
It's not spicy at all.
No.
So
it's not that spicy.
there's one plain, there's one just in tomato sauce.
That's me.
Right.
And then there's one in some natural oil.
Right.
So, yeah. So it caters to your needs, Sekon Sta.
I don't know why they take this hot one. I don't know.
Right. So we have 2 here for you. So while you enjoy those.
You made
No,
that
another.
ready?
Yes.
But I don't cook.
Yeah.
so
You sure that I don't cook?
Yeah. So there you have it, courtesy of the folks at Grace Products. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt Charles came up using the mackerel in hot tomato sauce. So it's a little spicy. Hope it's not too spicy for you, my brother.
No. Look around.
But it's, what are you calling? Tomato croquettes.
Mackerel.
Grace tomato mackerel croquettes.
Yes.
It's a long name.
A long name.
McCrocs, according to Sekon Sta. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt Charles, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. As you know, it's a very, very, very busy season as we're coming towards the end of the carnival season. So Sekon Sta and these guys very, very busy. So we're glad that he was able to spend some time with us here at Fiesta Plaza. Flavors at Fiesta. Thanks to all the folks here. Thanks to the folks at Grace. We're taking a short break. Sekon, enjoy your last meal and go on out, and I know you have this up too. Thank you very much for passing by.